Hindi pala laging linsanity ang nagaganap sa loob ng court dahil ibinunyag ngayon ni Jeremy Lin ang matinding Cold War nila ng yumaong NBA legend na si Kobe Bryant noong nasa Lakers pa sila. Kung ano iyon, alamin sa pag-abante ni Jonas Navarias.
Tuluyan ng binasag ni Jeremy Lin ang kanyang katahimikan sa kanyang infamous na hidwaan sa NBA icon na si Kobe Bryant noong panahon nila sa Los Angeles Lakers. Sa isang podcast, inamin ni Lin na umabot sa 5 buwan na hindi sila nag-iimikan matapos ang isang matinding hindi pagkakaunawaan sa loob ng court na nauwi sa palitan ng text messages. Nag-ugat umano ang tampuhan sa isang laro kung saan pinipilit ni Kobe na i-foul ni Lin ang kalaban, ngunit hindi naman siya hinahayaan ng kanilang coach na gawin ito. Dahil dito, napagbuntungan si Lin ng masamang body language ni Bryant na hindi nagustuhan ng batang gwardya. Matapos ang laro, agad umano nagpadala ng text message si Lin kay Black Mamba.
He's not used to people challenging him, and I wasn't challenging him like I'm better than you and I'm smarter than you. I was only challenging him like, hey, can you teach me in a way that's a little bit more, I know, like, and I'm not disrespecting Kobe because I fully acknowledge that he's 1,000 times the player that I am. But what I am saying is, even within the context of being a leader, what me and you were saying to him was not, we're smarter than you, we're better than you, or whatever. It was more just like, in this specific situation, here's a little bit of feedback that I felt like you could handle it differently. You're not perfect, right?
Ayon kay Lin, nag-reply naman si Kobe at nagbigay pa ng advice na akala niya ay ayos na ang lahat. Ngunit doon na pala nagsimula ang kanilang mahabang tampuhan.
Sent over a text with some advice. He's like, let's start with this. I was like, I got you. I'm gonna be focused on that. I'm gonna be working on this. I'm gonna be thinking on this of exactly what you're saying. I'm just trying to get better. I'm trying to help this team more. We didn't speak for the next 5 months.
Hindi rin pinalampas ni Lin ang kumakalat na video ng kanilang practice scrimmage kung saan minumura at trash talk ang inabot niya sa legend. Paliwanag niya, hindi naman siya naapektuhan sa sigawan basta't may respeto pa rin ang pagkatao niya.
Did he have to respect me, like, with the magnitude and the level of player he was? No, not necessarily. He didn't, you know, I understand why he would look at me and be like, yo, like, he's just, he's not getting it done for us. So, you know, it's again, I don't hold it now to this day. I'm just I've let it go, and me and him patch it up. But
Matapos ang isang season sa Lakers noong 2014 to 2015, lumipat si Lin sa Charlotte Hornets. Sa kabanata ng kanyang buhay, ibinunyag niya na nagkaayos din sila ni Kobe at huli sila nagkita na maayos ang pakikitungo sa isa't isa bago ang pagyao ng NBA icon. Ako, si Jonas Navarias, Abante Sports, now na.